Welcome back, GlamFam. It's your girl Angela Denise, and we are here today with a fall beauty haul. And girl, we have so much makeup here that I haven't hauled with you guys on my channel, but there's a lot of products that I have here in front of me that we have not discussed that we need to go ahead and jump right into. So I picked up some stuff from the Derm store, from Ulta, Sephora, Macy's, and just a whole bunch of different places. So if you guys want to see what I bought, just keep on watching. So we'll go ahead and dive into what I got from Ulta. So I made 2 trips to Ulta. The first one was on the 21 Days of Beauty. I went ahead and picked up the Hangover RX. Remember, they had this one for 50% off. So that is like my holy grail everyday general primer that I use all over my face. I do have 2 of those that I picked up. I kind of couldn't pass up on that one. You're just getting 2 for 1. So I picked that one up during the 21 Days of Beauty, and that was pretty much all I got from there during that sale. Now, I have been really into Dermalogica, and if you guys watched my last Ulta beauty haul, you would know that I picked up a few products from Dermalogica then. So I wanted to go ahead and try a mist, like a facial toner balancing spray that actually had skincare benefits in it. And this one from the Age Smart collection is the antioxidant Hydra Mist from Dermalogica. And so one of the things that I was really interested in about this Hydra Mist was that it is hydrating yet balancing, and it also had some really good ingredients in it like peptides, and I believe that it also has niacinamide in it, and it's formulated without any fragrances or artificial colors. So I wanted to test this one out. This is just like a 1 ounce, and if I liked it, then I'll pick up the big one. While I was in there, I went ahead and picked up a Morphe M514 brush, and I also picked up a Morphe M421 brush, and this is just a concealer brush, and I actually have one already. I really like to use this type of brush to pack on glitters on top of glitter glues or concealer, or I like to use this to actually carve out my eyebrows. So I do use concealer under my eyebrows whenever I put on my makeup, so this brush is really good for that. And I also picked up some of my favorite eyelashes as of late, well, eyelash brand, and that is Allure. And these particular eyelashes are the Silk Effect eyelashes in Marquise. I do have on a pair of Allure lashes right now, and these are called Bronze Beauty, and I really like them. It's just enough glam without looking like too much. So the last thing that I got from Ulta was one of the NARS lip paints, and I absolutely love the formula. I have this one in Star Woman. It's one of my favorite red eyeshadows. It's one of my favorite red lip colors, and this is actually a reddish brown shade, perfect for fall. I just could not wait to try this one out. So this is called Spin Me. And that's what Spin Me looks like. I cannot wait to wear this. I think I may wear it tomorrow. Okay, so next we have a place that I've been shopping at since last year that I really love to get some of my skincare from, and this particular store does a lot of 20% off deals more frequently than Sephora, and so I've been really utilizing that here recently to really upgrade my skincare, and that is the Derm store. I don't know if y'all can see that. If you sign up for the Derm store and you were not ever previously registered, you can qualify for an instant 20% off of anything in the store. So you may want to go ahead and take advantage of that, because that's what I did and I've been hooked. And so periodically they will send you 20% off deals. There's actually a 20% off friends and family going on right now as of, what's today? The 4th of October. So at the Derm store, they sell my favorite sunscreen, and that is the Ulta MD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 26. And what I like about this one is that it's very lightweight, and it also does not leave white cast on my skin. It is kind of pricey, so pick it up when it's for 20% off. I wanted to go ahead and get a backup of this sunscreen because I wear sunscreen every day, and this is a 1.7 ounce oil-free product. It has niacinamide in it, and it's a physical sunscreen, not chemical. So yeah, I really love this sunscreen. I went ahead and picked up during the 20% off is the Caudalie Beauty Elixir, and this is something that I really love. I only have a corner left of the one that I have in my drawer, so I had to go ahead and pick up a backup because this is one of the products that I'm starting to not be able to live without. I absolutely love it. You guys let me know if you've ever tried it. I do know that Sephora has a gift set that has a small $18 one. The gift set is $39, and it has a few other Caudalie beauty products. So if you guys are interested in trying out the Caudalie brand, I recommend it. I love it. So here is my little Nordstrom box. Gosh, y'all, I hope my husband don't see this video. Okay, so I got some stuff from Nordstrom. I got some samples, and I had to pick up this powder that I have been hearing so much about, and I'm actually in the market for a powder that gives a nice finish to the skin but isn't mattifying, because since I've been taking really good care of my skin, I'm not as super greasy and oily as I used to be. So what I've noticed is that the seasons are transitioning, so my skin is starting to be dry in certain places. So with that said, I'm going to be changing up my makeup routine. I will be doing a video about that coming up soon. So yeah, I'm going to be changing it up, and I'm going to be using some products that aren't so drying and mattifying on the skin. And so why not start with the powders that I use? I typically use like the Huda Beauty powder, which is a mattifying powder, and of course my Holy Grail Mercier, and that literally will suck the life out of your face. So yeah, we're gonna start with the YSL Yves Saint Laurent Soufflé d'Éclat. I hope I said that right. Soufflé d'Éclat powder, and this is going to be for up under my eyes. So we're going to start with the powder that I use up under my eyes. I wanted something that wasn't so drying. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. You get 0.52 ounces of product. It is pretty expensive. It does retail for $60. So Macy's. So I did quite a bit of damage at Macy's. I picked up some more luxurious things. You guys, please don't come for me. For some reason, people are coming for me like in my DMs on Instagram, and in my messages and stuff on YouTube about me using luxury products, and I'm not sure why, but you know, I go to work, I have a career, and I really like the products that I buy. Everything that I bought that's here, I purchased, you know, with my own money. So we'll go ahead and start with something that I actually showed in my stash video, but I'm gonna go ahead and show it again because I wanted to haul, because we're gonna do some recaps and other things like that later on in the month of October. So yes ma'am, I did get the Bronze Goddess for holiday 2018, the illuminating gelée powders. I do have all 3 shades. This is 1, 3, and this one is shade number 2. I am wearing shade number 2 on my cheek right now, so the crush is giving me so much life. And this is the packaging of the new holiday 2018, girl. Oh my god. And this was the 2018 spring, so they are the same size, different packaging, and yeah girl, it's cute. This is what Solar Crush looks like, and that's what I have on here, glistening like the goddess that I am. But anyways, so yeah, I picked that up from Macy's actually probably like 2 weeks ago now. But more information coming soon. Make sure that you guys are subscribed. Make sure you have on your notifications, because information on those swatches are in my stash video, but I'm going to be applying it and doing some other things with the illuminators really soon, and I'm excited about it. So it kind of seems like Macy's have really been taking a coin or two from me lately, or I've been giving them a coin lately. And you guys know, you already know I'm bougie, okay? I'm not afraid to say it. I own it, and you know, I'm spending my own money. So, two things. I went ahead and got the Coco Mademoiselle Velvet Body Oil. Yes, ma'am, I did. And this is the 6.8 ounces. Also, you guys need to register for like Macy's and the Derm store, Laura Mercier, CoverFX, all of those. CoverFX just had 25% off. You don't have to wait on Sephora for these deals. Macy's just did 15% off all their beauty, so that's kind of why I was shopping Macy's, because I get that percentage off, and plus you get additional perks if you have a Macy's credit card, which I do. So this is the Coco Mademoiselle Velvet Body Oil, honey, and it is so luxurious. And I'll just spray it. I want y'all to see how fine that mist is. It's just pure luxury, pure lux. Okay. Yeah. I'm in love with Coco Mademoiselle. Next is another bougie powder. You guys, I said I'm gearing up for fall. I wanted some powders that were effective but were not as drying as my Laura Mercier powder. That is my holy grail. And so I decided to go ahead and pick up Miss Chanel. I've been loving Chanel lately. Pick up some Chanel loose powder. I've heard great things about this. It only comes in 3 shades. I picked it up in the deepest of the 3, and you get quite a bit of product. You get the equivalent of what you get with the Laura Mercier. You get a full ounce of product, and this is in the shade 40 Translucent 3. I haven't opened it, I haven't used it or anything, but you do get a Chanel puff with it, and it, you know, it's sealed up and all of that. But yeah, really gorgeous packaging, and I can't wait to use it. You guys let me know if you want me to do a video with like a trying new makeup type of video. I can definitely do that with you guys, since I've been purchasing so much makeup, which I will not be doing for the rest of the month. I hope I didn't just jinx myself, but I'm going to attempt to not buy anything else, okay? So last but not least is a few things that I picked up from Sephora, and I'm already living for one of these items. Actually, I'm kind of living for both of these items, but more information coming soon. Again, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, all of that. Because all of this information is going to be coming at you guys, and it's going to be good. But I have been waiting for the new CoverFX Powerplay Concealer, because you guys know that I really love the Powerplay foundation. I am going to be testing it out. I've actually been testing it out, and so I'm going to be doing some swatches and a full review on the CoverFX Powerplay Concealer. And I have 3 different shades because I didn't know which ones to get, and I watched a couple of videos, and the shades kind of seem like hit or miss for me. So I got In Deep 1 and I got In Deep 2. And I also got G Medium 4. This is the deepest medium shade in with the golden undertone. So these are $28 a piece. You get 0.33 ounces of product. That is a little bit more than the norm here lately. Let's see how much my favorite has. So I love my Laura Mercier concealer, so I'm just going to automatically compare it to that. Okay, so the Laura Mercier concealer, you get 0.23 ounces of product, and with this you get 0.33 ounces of product, so you do get more, and it's relatively the same price. So I'm excited about the Powerplay concealer, you guys. So the very last thing in my haul is the Natasha Denona Gold Palette, girl. Yep, I pulled the trigger. I got it. and it's on my eyes right now. So you already know what that means. We're going to be doing a tutorial. If it's posted first, I will go ahead and link it down in the description bar of this video. Well, let me show you guys what it looks like, just in case, you know, I post the videos out of order. So that's what she looks like. And this is my first Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, and so I'm kind of excited about it, and we'll just play around with it and see what it do. So yeah, guys, that is going to wrap up my massive beauty haul. These are all the things that I've purchased. I am not buying anything else in the month of October. That's kind of like a secret between you and I. Let's hold each other accountable. And that is going to wrap up today's video. And until the next time, I will see you later. Bye.